Hello, I'm Rachel and today I'm going to repot some houseplants. The begonia makes a fantastic houseplant and it's really handy for less well-lit rooms. But the group is enormous. With more than 2,000 species in the genus, begonias are one of the largest genera of flowering plants in the world. House begonias need repotting when their tubers outgrow their current pot. Otherwise repot if the mix is more than 3 years old or the pot size or mix are unsuitable. The good news is that repotting can be done at any time of year, although spring, when the plant starts regrowth, is best. Remove your begonia from its pot by gently squeezing the sides, paying attention to not damage the fragile tubers. Shake off any loose old potting mix. You will need a light, well-drained potting mix for your indoor begonia. There are lots of different recipes out there, but I use 2 parts potting mix and 1 part perlite. Make sure your mix is very slightly moist. Choose a pot that is the next size up. Pay attention to the root ball size and the overhanging tubers rather than the leaves, and ensure that you have 1 inch of space between the plant and the edge of the pot all the way round. Select a shallow plastic pot with drainage holes. Plastic works best for humidity-loving plants like begonias. Place a little potting mix at the base of the pot and position your plant. If you have overhanging tubers, allow them some space. Backfill with your potting mix and firm down with your fingers. Finally, give your newly potted begonia just a little water. Newly potted begonias respond badly to drenching at this stage, especially if you're repotting in winter, so less is better than more. And there we go. You can expect your begonia to put on a growth spurt as a result of repotting, and lots of beautiful leaves, maybe even flowers. Happy growing!